Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the most awaited phone of 2021 is here from Mi. The Xiaomi Mi I11 Ultra is truly deserving of its superlative name. It's hard to pick which is the phone's greatest strength, but it may well be the camera. The Mi 11 Ultra will be available globally as well. This other Snapdragon 888 powered phone, the Xiaomi Mi 11. So now, first of all, we're talking about the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. They launched three smartphones: the Mi 11 Ultra, Mi 11i, and a Pro. The massive Samsung GN2 sensor make its due with the Mi 11 Ultra at 1 by 1.12. It is the largest sensor ever used in a mass market phone, and it has some of the largest pixel we have seen in the recent year. 1.4 before anyone even mentions that the word binding. The GN2 does in fact support 4 in 1 binding that makes the effective pixel size of 2.8 The sensor enjoyed the benefit of optical image stabilization OIS and introduced dual pixel Pro, which improves autofocus speed and accuracy. There is also Smart ISO Pro, which can capture HDR photo is in instant. The two other cameras on the Mi 11 Ultra back are no less impressive. The periscope lens offers 5x optical and 10x hyper zoom. Even better, it's paired with a 48 megapixel sensor, which is fairly large in its own right, 1 by 2.0, 0.8 pixel. So for comparison, the Galaxy S21 Ultra has a 10 megapixel 1 by 3.24 sensor behind its periscope. Plus, the Xiaomi phone can record 8K through its periscope, which looks to be another first anyway. The camera is also has OIS through the lens is a bit dark at 4.1. Next up is the ultra wide camera, which has a 128-degree lens and a 48 megapixel 1 by 2.0 sensor of its own. The lens has autofocus and can shoot macro photos like the other two. Camera on the back, this can record 8K video. Also, all three have a night mode support. The battery is other head idling feature. The Mi 11 Ultra is slightly larger than average for a super fast charging phone, 5000 mAh, and it sets a new benchmark with a 67-volt wireless charging support that matches the 67-volt charging booth can fill the battery or top in just a 36 minute. To pull off, a Xiaomi designed a 6x supercharge technology in-house, including a custom chip that enable wireless charging 30-volt and multi-level current control tech that speed up charging by 10%. The phone also supports 10-watt reverse wireless charging for a good measure. Okay, now we talk about the ordinary thing, and by ordinary we means thing like the 6.81-inch AMOLED display with a 1440p plus resolution and a Gorilla Glass Victus protection. It has a 120 Hz refresh rate, but also not adaptive, and a 480 Hz touch sampling rate. It is an excellent screen with A plus from a display mat in it, thanks to the HDR10 Plus and Dolby version support. Furthermore, it will be collaborated the DCI P3 color specs and has a high brightness mode for a 900 nits of brightness. Peak brightness is 1700 nits. Another highlight feature is the Snapdragon 888 chipset. We will not expect any less from a flagship Xiaomi. Attach a new 3-phase cooling system and added 12 gigs of RAM DDR5, 256 gigabytes UFS 3.1 storage. The triple ISP of the chipset is used to full effect, allowing the Mi 11 Ultra to shoot with all three cameras simultaneously. The phone has a stereo speaker that were touched by Harman Kardon. Also, it carries a high resolution audio certification. Also, there is a no 3.5mm headphone jack. There is a Bluetooth 5.0 on a board for a wireless headphone. However, additional connectivity including dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, NFC, and IR Blaster. With ordinary thing out of the way, let's have another look at the back. Made out of a ceramic available in a black and white, and a material of the Xiaomi Occidental uses of special phone its lineup. The phone is IP68 rated, meaning it's a dust and tight and can be submerged under 1.5 meter of water half hour. So the Mi 11 Ultra Pro are a Xiaomi first IP68 rated smartphone. Another thing to note on the back is a secondary display. It has a 1.1-inch AMOLED panel and has a with a 450 nits peak brightness. It has an always on mode and can show notification, plus it can be used as a viewfinder when taking a selfie with the main camera. Now talking about the price, the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra will be available globally in China in a based model, 8 gigs of RAM and 250 gig storage. It will cost a $915. You can upgrade to 12 gigs of RAM by extra add up a 500 Chinese yuan. So the top-specced model has a 12 gigs of RAM and 512 gig storage. This is available in 7,000 Chinese yuan. The Ultra will go on sale in China in April 2. In Europe, it will be available in $1,200 for the 12 and 256GB model. Based the black and white color option, Xiaomi is also releasing the Marble Ceramic Special Edition. It also has a 12 gigs of RAM and a 512GB storage model, and it's available in Chinese yuan 7,000. So if you want to keep the beautiful ceramic bag safe, you can grab a vegan leather case for a Chinese yuan 150 Chinese yuan. So this is the Mi 11 Ultra latest smartphone. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new beast from the Xiaomi, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.